Oh yes, this is definitely very Harry Potter-esque.
Walking at the back. For a tour like this, and people will pay that money because they want the experience. We don't believe that, and at the end of it you're like, oh, I didn't really have a good time. We believe that at the end of the tour you will decide. And the one guarantee is I'm going to give you a smashing tour, and I'm going to work my socks off because I'm earning my way. Does that make sense? Does that seem fair to you? Right? And not only that, because there's not just little people here, there are adults, I won't just talk about Harry Potter, I'll talk about everything.
Approaching the House of Spells. I am YouTubing.
Huh?
I'm YouTubing.
You're YouTubing? Oh,
I'm
okay.
YouTubing.
Good for you.
House of Spells. Oh look, the Iron Throne.
Side. So we leave space. Ladies and gentlemen, what's a lovely guide you got here? He's doing a special thing for you. Get out of the way. Unbelievable. This is English banter, by the way. I am joking. This is House of Spells. This is a really good shop. Alright? I promise you I'm not on commission. I found out about this a couple of years ago. Don't go to platform 9 3/4. It is a rip-off. And it is incredibly underwhelming. It's a trolley in a wall. And they try and charge. I'm going to let you go in here for, what, 10 minutes or so? Have a little gander. They've got everything. The books, the monsters, Deathly to Master, the wand. Yeah, Thor's hammer. That's right. Strong, dedicated, loyal following of Harry Potter fans that are reading the books. And if we get the first film right, we'll kill the franchise. So getting the first film right is very important. It has to be close to the book. And Warner Brothers were having none of it. And she said, look, I'm going to write some stimulations. First of all, her first stipulation was she wanted to write the screenplay with the screenwriter. Secondly, and most importantly, she said there were certain actors she wanted to play certain roles. She didn't know them, she wasn't friends with them or anything like that. Quite a sad story actually. However, we don't have the inspiration of diagram. Talking about, it's so suspect. I feel like I'm on MTV.
I got myself some coffee.
I thought you were lost or something.
No. Spooky. Into the alley of Harry Potter. We all had to be very quiet. Oh yes, this is definitely very Harry Potter-esque.
Walking at the back. They've embraced it. Very rarely take carriages unless they have to. We walk roughly 130 miles a day. So like it's very common indeed. So they're 8 o'clock and we have breakfast at 7:30, luncheon at 1 PM, tea or high tea at 4, and supper, dinner at 7:30 on the dot. Never be late, right? Don't go to the Ritz, don't go to the Macy's, don't spend thousands of pounds, hundreds of pounds on tea. Go here. Crypt. Very affordable, very high quality. You can have scones. There's a whole tour you can do just on this place. Penguin in, my dears, penguin in. Another little bit of trivia, sorry, nothing to do with Harry Potter, I'm just trying to keep the adults excited. You're going to cross the road here, you'll be very careful. We're not going to die. We look at
Well, in the Londoners' natural environment inside Covent Garden, where it's the place to eat when you're in London and a good place to see the wildlife of London. Somebody almost lost somebody. As you can see, the wildlife here, the birds, they got some beautiful plumage, and the natural wildlife of Covent Garden is in full mating surge.
Ladies and gentlemen, please show your appreciation for the musicians.
I have no change whatsoever on me, but it's okay, it's okay. I won't be